Hey, what's up with you all? It's Miles here. In this video, I'm going to talk about the age-old question of whether or not money can bring happiness to us. We're going to explore how money can contribute to our happiness. Let's get started. Money is one of the most important things in our lives. We use it to purchase food, shelter, and other things we own. Money is a wonderful tool that allows us to feel free and happy. When we understand how money can help us, we will realize how it can make us feel good as well. There is a lot to be said for the importance of creating wealth when it comes to finding meaning in life. Many of us want to make money so we can take care of ourselves and our families. While it's not the only thing that makes us happy, creating wealth is a very important factor. If you are interested in finding your happiness, you need to watch this video. It will help you to see how crucial it is to build wealth to get it. Therefore, if you are interested in exploring the relationship between money and happiness, stay tuned in. We will be taking a closer look at this topic in a few minutes. Money can be used to buy us happiness in certain areas, such as for basic needs such as food, etc. That makes us feel happy. But beyond these basic needs, it's really up to us as individuals to feel happy or not. It's like getting rewarded when you get money. The reason for this is because money triggers dopamine, a chemical reaction that flows through your brain to make you feel happy. Money, therefore, is a great motivator when it comes to achieving our goals. Making money to buy entertaining things that can keep you motivated and going in your life. If you don't make money, what do you think will motivate you and make you happy? You are limited in your choices if you do not have any money. You are stuck with fewer choices. With money, you have access to a tool. Like whenever you build a home, you will need certain tools to build one. The same thing happens with money. If you want to buy something, you will need money as a tool. I believe that it is important to keep your life going by purchasing those things that can make you happy, such as motivating yourself to keep going. Studies have shown that people with the greatest wealth tend to be happier than those who make the least amount of money. That is because people with the greatest wealth have a lot more choices. It is through their choices that they are able to choose a path that leads them to happiness. If you do not have enough money, you will have fewer choices that will lead to your life being very frustrating due to the limited choices you can make. To be clear, money cannot guarantee you happiness, but it can bring you happiness through freedom. If you have more money in your life, you will have more freedom that will give you the freedom to make more choices in your life. Making money more like $1 million a year probably does not impact on your happiness. However, if you do make $1 million a year, you would probably be more concerned with choice-based living. I am talking about basic needs here, the things that most people would need to fulfill their daily needs, such as personal items, cars, shelters, transportation, etc. Keeping money recurring is one of the most important things you need to do to ensure you stay stable in your life, and you can feel good about your life, which can in turn lead to financial freedom and freedom of time. In other words, you don't want just to earn money from a job. You want to create wealth as well as achieve financial freedom. These are essential to our happiness and, of course, to yours as well. As long as we have plenty of money, that gives us financial freedom and allows us to focus on other things instead of money because we have met our basic needs. It is not necessary for us to worry or to be stressed about the basic needs every day, as long as we forget about that, so that we can focus on building wealth and living our lives. This will double your level of happiness than before. Because you have freedom, you will be happier. You will not need to worry about the basic needs anymore. Focusing on other things that make you happy leads to a longer lifespan. If you are not happy all the time, you will live shorter. Eventually, you will experience some depression, suicidal behavior, and so on because you have limited choices in life. In the case that you don't know that, there are various strategies you can use to build wealth, such as real estate, stocks, cryptocurrency, and so on. To be quite honest with you, there are a lot more ways you can build wealth. There is a video on my YouTube channel entitled 5 Places That Make Your Money Grow or Make Money Work for You. If you want to watch this video, click on the gray information card on the upper right, which will direct you to the video that I made. After watching this video, you can watch the video to learn more about the different strategies that you can do to build and grow your wealth. In addition, there are other strategies, such as starting your own business. It is important to continue learning new skills so that you can find high-paying opportunities. You can use them to invest in real estate and stocks. I spent a lot of my time building new skills over the past few years in order to explore new opportunities that could potentially provide me with high-paying opportunities and use that money to invest in real estate and other assets. Rather than just focusing on creating wealth, I believe it is very important to focus on skills. Skills are what bring you money, which brings you more choices, which ultimately leads to financial freedom. When making money and building wealth, don't forget the importance of gratitude. You should reward yourself whenever you receive money, a bonus, or a new opportunity because money triggers the chemical reaction of dopamine, which makes you feel more motivated. That's why it's so important to reward yourself every time. You need to motivate yourself every day. Spend money on something that you love and invest in assets that will double your investment. It is important to invest in yourself rather than to save a lot of money. Investing in yourself is the key to learning new skills and becoming yourself. Several studies have demonstrated that people who rely heavily on gratitude are happier with their lives in general. If you want to keep your happiness high, you should do the same thing that will help you achieve it. When I finished creating my YouTube videos, I would always reward myself with food or going out with my friends. The thing that I do not like is to finish a video and then stay home and do nothing, because then my motivation would be lost. That would be unproductive for me. I really wanted to keep my motivation going up. As a result of feeling appreciation for what we have, we will experience positive emotions, which are the best feelings we can experience in this life. This is why it is so vital to always be grateful and thankful for yourself. Always be grateful for what you have done in your life. You can use some strategies to practice gratitude, such as writing a journal about the people who have helped you, like your parents, family, friends, and mentors who have been very supportive of you. Always remember to focus on the positive things in your life and believe in the law of attraction. You want to believe in something that will eventually come true to you. Continue believing in it and never give up on it. Be persistent. It is very important for you to have your goals written down so you can see them coming true, just like this is true, because you believe in it. You want to keep practicing gratitude. It is the most powerful thing you can do for your life. For your information, this was exactly what happened to me. As soon as I started to focus on positive things, like doing a gratitude exercise, creating YouTube videos, or collecting new leads for my real estate business, I noticed that more positive things happened to me. It is because I continued to believe in them that I noticed more positive or good things happen to me. A negative mindset will pull you down, make you less wealthy, limit your options, and limit your wealth. A positive mindset will open up opportunities, money, and fun to you. If you focus on positive things, you will be able to see more opportunities, money, and fun presented to you. There are many things out there that you can bless every day. Do not forget those people who have helped you out in life and who have been so kind to you. It is something that I do. I am thankful for the people who have given me a life. It is my family that I am most thankful to for always being there for me throughout my life, including my sister, grandparents, cousins, uncles, and aunts who have always been supportive of me and have always been there for me. Thanks to them, I have come to be who I am today. I will continue to create new opportunities as they present themselves to me, such as my real estate business and here my YouTube channel that I have been creating for you, as well as being thankful to those people I have chatted with and have a similar interest in finance as me. I am grateful to those individuals who believe in me and my opportunities. You know who you are. I really appreciate your belief in me and my opportunities. You wouldn't be where I am today without you. Practicing a grateful attitude every day will make a significant difference in your life. I promise that. You can't be grateful once only. It's important to do it frequently, as that will shift your mindset, and then you'll start seeing results. It is a gradual process. Remember that. Money is basically a tool that brings freedom to you in your life, which in turn gives you a sense of fulfillment. So the answer to your question is that money really does make you happy. Stay motivated and keep believing in what you have done lately. Keep believing in the outcome, and you will see a huge difference in your life. The same thing happened to me before. Let me repeat it. It happened to me before. I know I've said it several times before, but yes, it did happen to me. If I believe in myself, the more I can accomplish in my life. Let go down with the idea that money is always a bad thing. Starting right now, you are going to have to change your mindset. You are going to see more opportunities coming your way if you focus on positive things. That way you will be able to see more opportunities. Keep your existing job and keep making money. I encourage you to discover new skills that will allow you to earn higher pay as well as more opportunities. Creating and building generational wealth is what allows you to accomplish what you set out to accomplish. That way you can pass it along to your children, heirs, or whatever you wish, and you feel good about it before you're gone. Having wealth and freedom is not the only way to make you happy, because money gives you wealth, freedom, and choices. That's why you feel good about what you've done. See you next time, soon.